Hello friends, let us study about percentage. Percent means out of 100, it's often shown with a symbol. Even if there are not 100 items, the number is then scaled so it can be compared to 100. A percent is only one way of writing a ratio. One can also write it as fraction or decimals. A percent is the number 200. The symbol is used to indicate the percent. A word percent means per hundred. So 6% means 6 out of 100. Percent means per hundred or divided by 100. For example, 24% is equal to 24 by 100, which is equal to 0.24. Converting fractions to percent. To convert a fraction to percent, change the fraction to a decimal, then multiply the decimal by 100 and put the percent sign. For example, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.50, which is 0.50 into 100 is equal to 50. Answer is 50%. Similarly, 1 by 3 is equal to 0.33. It is a recurring decimal, so we can multiply it into 100 and the answer is 33.3. Convert fractions to percent. How to do it? Step 1. Make an equivalent fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000. For example, 4 by 25 is equal to 16 by 100. Step 2. Write the new fraction as a decimal. 16 by 100 is equal to 0.16. Step 3. Multiply the decimal by 100 to find the percent. 0.16 is equal to 16%. Fraction to percent. Half or 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, which is multiplied both by numerator into denominator by 50. So we get 50 by 100 is equal to 50%. 1 by 4 is multiplied numerator and denominator by 25. So we get the answer as 25 by 100, which is 25%. 2 by 5 is equal to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 20. So we get the answer as 40 by 100, which is equal to 40%. To convert a percent to a fraction, follow these steps. Step 1. Write down the percent divided by 100 like this. Percent 100, okay? And if the percent is not a whole number, then multiply both the top and the bottom by 10 for every number after the decimal point, and step 3 simply reduce it to the fraction. For example, 1% is equal to 1 by 100, 10% is equal to 10 by 100, 50% is equal to 50 by 100, 45% is equal to 40 by 5 by 100, which is equal to 9 by 20, where we can simplify it into the simplest form. Similarly, 36.2 is equal 36.2% is equal to 36.2 by 100 is equal to 362 by 1000, which is equal to 181 by 500. If we want to convert decimal to percent, the long way is just rewrite the fraction with 100 as the denominator, and for example 0.84 is equal to 84 by 100 is equal to 84%, and the short way is just move the decimal 2 places to the right, that is 0.84 is equal to 84%. Now decimal percent conversion is very simple. When we convert decimal to percent, we multiply by 100 and move decimal point 2 places to the right. And when we convert percent to decimal, we divide by 100 and move 2 decimal places to the left. For example, 0.75 is equal to 75%, 0.8 is equal to 80%. Similarly, 6% is equal to 0.06 and 34.5% is equal to 0.345. Decimals to percent. To understand it, just a few examples. 0.25 can be converted into percent as 25%. 0.5 can be converted into percent as 50%. 0.08 as 8%. 0.375 as 37.5%, and 1.1 is equal to 110%. Percent to decimal is simple to understand. 28% is equal to 28 by 100, which is equal to 0.28. That is 28%, where 28 is divided by 100, and move the decimal places to the 2 points to the left. For example, 5% can be converted into decimals as 0.05, 24% as 0.24, 115% as 1.15, 15.7% as 0.157. Now, if we want to find the percentage of a number for which you want to find the percentage by total number with which you want to compare or out of into 100%. For example, percent of a number, 35% of 80 is equal to 35 by 100 into 80, which is equal to 28. Similarly, the word of indicates multiplication. 30% of 400, where 30 by 100 into 100 is equal to 120. The relation between the fraction and the decimal and the percentage, where fraction can be converted into decimal, you have to divide the numerator by the denominator, and the decimal to the percent you have to multiply by 100. In the percentage to fraction, put the percentage over a denominator of 100 and simplify, and percentage back to decimal you have to divide by 100. To understand it, we can see an example. 2 by 5, which is in the fraction form, is equal to 0.4 decimal, which can be converted into percentage as 40%. To understand word problems, let us take one example. There are 50 students in a class. If 14% are absent on a particular day and the number of students present in the class, we have to find out. So let us find out. The solution is number of students absent on a particular day is equal to 14% of 50. 14 by 100 into 50 is equal to 7. So therefore, number of students present is equal to 50 minus 7, which is equal to 43. Another example, if we consider, in a basket of apples, 12% of them are rotten and 66 are in good condition. Find the total number of apples in a basket. So, let the total number of apples in the basket be X. 12% of apples are rotten and apples in good conditions are 66. So, therefore, according to the question, 80% of X is equal to 66. So 88 by 100 into X is equal to 66, where we need to find the X. So X is equal to 66 into 100 by 88, where X is equal to 3 into 25, where X is equal to 75. Therefore, total number of apples in the basket is 75. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.